Pulled up on my baby in a new Mercedes, and I bent the corner. 12 was on the baby. I go fast like vroom, 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 vroom. Y'all can't catch me, baby. They said, who's this nigga? They said, that's a lady. She driving real crazy, and the sun is fading, and we go and say,
hello, welcome back to Chopping It Up with Chels. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and check out my other videos, which will be in the description down below. So I tried to do this really cute, like, killer eyeliner type of thing yesterday for you guys and record it, and it did not work out whatsoever. Exactly. So I have decided that I'm just gonna do a cute Halloween glam because not a lot of people like to do all that stuff on their face. So let's just get into it. Don't forget to follow all my social media handles, and once again, subscribe, comment, like, and share. Okay, so I already went ahead and I moisturized my face. I put my serum on and my oil elixir. So now I'm going to go and I'm gonna put my primer on. This is the Smith & Colt Charcoal Black Drop Brightening Primer. Do a dollop of primer. So yeah, to get into this face. Okay. These dark circles underneath my eyes are not Coco Chanel yet. They're more like Forever 21 Hot Cheetos collab.
and I wish I could give you a baby. She said I need a Birkin, cause her bag's outdated. You said you love me, you said it.
Okay.
What are these other clowns doing here?
Now I'm going to take whatever brush that you use for your setting powder, and I'm just going to tap it in so that way when we do put on our foundation and all that good stuff, it's not we're not smudging it or roaming it. What am I saying? Okay, so now I'm gonna take my new Glory to God Be foundation, and that is my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I'm gonna use the shade Toffee.
Cause that's my shade from Toffee. And it comes with like this cute little applicator.
Baby, I go fast like vroom, 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 vroom. Y'all can't catch me, baby. They said, who's this nigga?
I'm gonna go with my Wet n Wild foundation brush.
And the sun is fading, and we going sailing, just cause we so wavy. And I wish I could give you a baby. She said I need a Birkin, cause her bag's outdated. You said you love me, you said that you would ride for me. You said you love me, and you said that you would ride for me.
I'm really indecisive as to which ones should go on first or whatever, so I kind of just like do it all together. I'm a Libra, and Libras are like indecisive. I don't know anything else about signs, so you horoscope people, let me know. What else about me? Tell me what you know about me. People with that know horoscopes are always like, OMG, you're a Libra? That makes so much sense. Wow, I totally knew that you were a Libra. Wow, you're a Libra? It makes so much sense now. But shut up. I'm not attacking you, but I'm attacking you. Okay. Blends, baby, blends. Let me get go with the pointier side, and you're just gonna bounce. Bounce it, baby, bounce it, baby, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it. You guys remember that song? Bounce it, biggity, bounce it, biggity, bounce it, biggity, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it. That shit was the shit in high school. Class of 2014, what up? Okay. Now whatever is remaining on my beauty blender, I'm gonna put it on my forehead and the bridge of my nose and on my chinny chin. I don't really like to highlight or put concealer on my forehead because my forehead is hella big. It's not even big. It just, well, now, okay, it's big, but it's like it protrudes out of my head. I hate my side profile. That's another story for another vlog. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take my CoverGirl in medium True Blend loose mineral powder. Snatched, honey. Okay, I just lost another brush looking for a brush that I know that I'm probably gonna need later, but later's not here, so just like everything else, let's not worry about it until the time comes. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows. If you guys want an eyebrow tutorial, then click like down below and I will definitely get it to you guys. Like, hello, whatever you want, I got it. Okay.
Hello, can I take your order? Yes, I'd like your daughter with the side of salad. And don't forget the water. We doing global things. We about to cross the border. You better back up, buddy.
I haven't gotten my eyebrows done in like a month. I'm supposed to be getting them done soon, but for right now, we're just gonna make them look like I got them done. Duh.
You need a lawyer. I do whatever for her. I drive you for.
Brush some babies out. Brush, baby. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Brush, baby. Da-na-na-na-na-na.
Hold on, baby. Here we go, baby. You was feeling up and now you low, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. You was feeling up.
We love a great arch. I'm so happy that I never went through the thin eyebrow phase in my teens. I've always loved bushy eyebrows. Like cute bushy, not like your grandma's vagina bushy. Okay, we're gonna blend again. Okay. The moment of truth. Let's do some eyeshadow. Damn, my brows really look good, babe. Okay. Snap out of it, babe. Okay. I don't know where that little knot just came from. I don't want to do like orange and black. That's basic as fuck. You know when you think you have a lot of makeup palettes, but then you're looking and you're just like, bitch, what the fuck? Like, where are your makeup palettes? That's currently me. And I like don't want to spend money on makeup because it's like, Chelsea, you have to be responsible. But then it's just like, fuck being responsible. You need makeup. Like, you can't be responsible if you're ugly. Well, you can, but I don't want to, so I can't. You always want to put a color that's kind of close to your skin complexion as your blending shadow. Whenever I need to go back into blend, I'm going to use this color so that way it all like melts together. Now tip, do not start with a lot of eyeshadow on your brush. I always put it into my palette to the color and then I tap it off. You could always build it up. You don't want to start up with a lot and then you not like it. Know what I mean? Okay. And I'm gonna start right here in my outer corner. Okay. I am satisfied. and just a cut, and that is, see that line? That is where your natural crease is, and that is where you're going to draw your crease. Okay. 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 Mic drop, mic drop. Okay, sorry. And you're gonna dust your haters off. You're gonna dust your insecurities off. And now I'm gonna go with whatever finishing powder that you have.
Okay, so I got this fake Kylie Jenner lip liner. Lipstick, sorry. When I got my hair done, like 2 years ago. It's the shade Pumpkin.
Born to glow. Damn, Chelsea, you're pretty. You pretty. No, you pretty. You pretty. No, you pretty. You pretty. I know. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm pretty happy with it. Once again, I didn't want to do a Halloween look again, so I did a Halloween inspired glam. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave me feedback. Let me know what you guys want me to do. Also, don't forget to subscribe to all of my social media handles and check out my other videos down in the description down below. And thank you once again.
You said you love me, you said that you would ride for me. Put up on my baby in a new Mercedes, and I bent the corner. 12 was on the baby. I go fast like vroom, 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 vroom. Y'all can't catch me, baby. They said, who's this nigga? They said, that's a lady. She driving real crazy, and the sun is fading, and we going sailing just cause we so wavy. And I wish I could give you a baby. She said I need a Birkin, cause her bag's outdated. You said you love me, you said that you would ride for me. You said you love me and you said that you would ride for me. Hello, can I take your order? Yes, I'd like your daughter with the side of salad, and don't forget the water. We doing global things, we bout to cross the border. You better back up, buddy, before you need a lawyer. I do whatever for her, I drive you for your fortune, and then go buy a mansion somewhere with trees and water. You said you love me and you said that you would ride for me. I love being your weakness. Yes, I love it all. I love being your weakness. Yes, I love it all. You said you love me, you said that you would ride for me. You said you love me, and you said that you would ride for me. You said you love me, you said that you would ride for me. You said you love me and you said that you would ride for me.